Let's now talk about India, which is shifting gears from signing trade deals to actually executing them. The country has signed 9 free trade agreements since 2021, covering 38 countries. That's the foundation. But the real story is what's landing now. US Trade Representative Jamieson Greer will hold a 2-day sprint with Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal on June 23rd and 24th. The agenda is to tighten the loose ends on the interim trade agreement and push talks on the bigger bilateral agreement, or BTA. Investors will watch whether the interim deal gets a signed text rather than just a statement, whether agriculture stays protected on paper, and whether Greer signals movement on that forced labor tariff threat. For India, it's proof that President Trump and Prime Minister Modi reset can survive contact with detail. 3 weeks away, July 15th, is when the India-UK trade deal goes live. India's average tariff on UK goods drops from 15% to 3%. Whiskey tariffs fall from 150% to 40%. Auto duties crash from 100% to 10% under quota. And in return, 99% of Indian exports, including textiles, leather and footwear, enter Britain duty-free. London calls it the most comprehensive deal India has ever implemented. The EU is next in line. Negotiations concluded in January after 19 years of stop-start talks. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal now targets signing by December 2026, implementation by early 2027. Nearly 93% of Indian goods could enter Europe duty-free, a market of 450 million consumers, India's largest trading partner at $120 billion in goods trade. Add Canada's Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement that's also targeted for year-end, and the pattern is clear. India is looking in preferential access across its top markets simultaneously, not sequentially. And the bigger bet? Pairing goods and services exports to hit $1 trillion by 2030. 20 priority markets, dedicated roadmaps, logistics and standard fixes are underway. And this isn't trade diplomacy for headlines, it's execution against a clock, and the UK deal is the first real test of whether India can deliver and not just sign.